There is still just one known case of the Omicron variant here in New Jersey. Many more cases are expected, but one place they're now testing for that strain is the diagnostic lab at Kean University. News 12 New Jersey's Marcy Rubin takes us there today.
On the campus of Kean University in Union County, inside the New Jersey Center for Science, Technology, and Math is a government-certified COVID-19 clinical diagnostic lab. It's part of the university's new Center for Clinical Laboratory Science and Pandemic Research born out of the COVID pandemic. They've been testing for COVID since early on. Now they're also keeping an eye on variants.
We do PCR-based nasal swab detection. So from all of the various collection sites across Union County, the samples are then transported to us. We will assay them and determine whether or not there's COVID virus present in any of the samples.
Any sample that tests positive for COVID here in this lab is then taken into another lab behind this door. This is where they sequence for the different variants. And just last week, they started testing for Omicron here.
Having a Sentinel system allowing us to see what variants are here and getting detection for new variants that will ultimately occur is very important for understanding the public health measures that we need to protect against future occurrences of the virus, this virus and other viruses.
You shouldn't need to flush.
The lab and the researchers here can process up to 2,000 COVID tests a week. Demand has not been that high recently, but the work they do is important, not only locally for the community, but as part of global efforts to battle COVID.
So I'm hoping that we can add a little bit of extra information to the general knowledge pool about what is emerging and how it's spreading.
Researchers expect they'll eventually see an Omicron case here, and they're prepared for it and whatever comes next. At Kean University in Union, Marcy Rubin, News 12, New Jersey.
It takes the researchers at Kean about 3 to 4 days to identify variants. They should have results from the latest batch of about 50 swabs within the next 24 hours.